You know, container gardening is hot, and rightfully so. It affords just about anyone, just about anywhere, the opportunity to do some type of gardening. And you know what's one of the hottest trends in container gardening? Growing your own food in containers. Now remember the container basics: right size spot for what you're growing, window boxes, ceramic pots, plastic pots, baskets, hanging baskets, they all work. Just make sure they have excellent drainage holes. Use a top grade potting mix. You'll even find organic mixes, and yes, reuse your potting soil every year. Now you'll need plant food. Add Osmocote for a light all-season slow feeding, as well as adding granular or water-soluble foods as needed. Add core or soil moist to reduce your watering. You know, these small polymers swell up to 20 times their size with water, and then they release it back into the soil when needed. And then it's up to you and your imagination. If it grows in the ground, chances are you can grow it in a pot. Salad greens, beans, tomatoes, peppers, strawberries, berries, rhubarb, horseradish, even the urban apples and figs, they can all be grown in containers. And one of the easiest to grow in pots? Herbs. The perfect way to have fresh herbs right at your fingertips. Now you can grow them individually or do theme plantings like basil, sage, oregano, thyme, chives, and parsley for Italian cooking, or parsley, dill, basil, lemon thyme, tarragon, and savory for seafood cooking. Or you can do a Simon and Garfunkel planting. You know, parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Trust me, once you start growing herbs in containers, you're going to be hooked. For more planting information, visit our website, natorp.com.